Why does your scanner show the P0264 engine code? What does it mean? P0264 is a diagnostic trouble code for cylinder 2, injector A circuit high. This engine code indicates the powertrain control module, PCM, has detected a low voltage condition in the circuit for the fuel injector on cylinder number 2. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty fuel injector. Wiring issues. PCM or ECM malfunction. Low fuel pressure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Volkswagen, Volvo, Renault, and Peugeot. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.